Better than those shakers, Mom. Better than those shakers. I work for First Way up at First Headquarters, and my job is to go to new regionals and get them going. So you guys haven't had a new regional, you've gone district, so I haven't been able to come down here for the longest time. So it's a pleasure to be back here and see so many faces I only see at championships, or lots of new growth here too. Rookie teams, nice job. And this is week 7. Many of you have competed over and over during districts. Many of our volunteers have worked every single week, volunteering for the event. I've been out on the road every single week, but there are only 2 places that are doing week 7, maybe. It's here and it's up in New England, and we got 2 weeks of championship. Who's going to St. Louis? Yeah. So I tried to learn some of the local culture and actually learned a bit of it out in Australia. Our judge advisor there was this cool guy named Disco. And Disco lives in Hawaii, he works for the Navy, but he's from New York. And he tried to get the audience a little piece of his background. I thought maybe it'd be a good warm-up, because you guys need to scream and yell today, so do a little vocal warm-up. So on this side, what Disco did was, he taught him a little bit of New York. He said, you guys say forget about it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. This side, and maybe a horseshoe, you guys say, you talking to me? Now let's try a little call and response. I'll point and we'll do it. Nice and loud. This is a vocal warm-up for the day. Ready? Alright, now I feel like I am back in the heartland. Thank you. Pretty interesting to watch Australians, Taiwanese, and the Chinese do that. Not so much. You guys have achieved something. You've actually qualified here to get to the finals of champs here, so thank you for all that hard work. But you know, the job is not done. This is going to be a hot and heavy weekend on this field. We got teams here from Delaware. Delaware is really small. The entire state, right there. Small but loud. Teams from Jersey right here. New Jersey. And home state here, Pennsylvania. Before we get going, we will say, you've probably seen this video, and I promise you, it's the last time you'll see it this year. It's the welcome video from Dean, Tom, and Woody, the founders and advisors from First. Let's roll the video.
Welcome to this year's first robotics competition, Recycle Rush.
6 weeks, just 6 intense weeks, from problem to stop. That you're still speaking to one another is testimony to your gracious professionalism. Congratulations. And it's not just about building a robot. You had to learn new skills: design, programming, fabrication, and troubleshooting, just to name a few. We're sure many of you have recycled some material and put it to good and new use on your robot. As a wise person once said, waste not money. The robot was not built by an individual. Creating it was a team effort. Mentors, sponsors, volunteers, parents, and students. FRC teams have created almost 3,000 unique solutions to this year's problem.
And now you're here to compete. You've accomplished your goal. Your hard fun is about to get harder and even more exciting.
Today you get to add another layer to the stuff that you've learned. Some of you will get what you hoped for, some not. All of you have a chance to use the experience to learn about character and toughness.
You're going to face many tougher challenges than just building a robot in 6 weeks. Already you've experienced some successes and some failures. Learn from these failures. They are often more valuable than the successes.
On the trip home after this event, we hope you look back and feel very good about what you did. We hope you'll be able to smile and remember how you kicked your gracious professionalism up another notch. You do that, and you will have used First very well.
First is more than robots. It's more than a game played on field. First is preparing you so But for now, let's celebrate, have some fun, and enjoy. Recycle Rock.
That didn't feel like we're off the end of the video. All right, that's new. We have a great host here at Lehigh. It's the third year this event has been here. It's spacious, spectator seating, plentiful, and you can see the field. Please welcome our host for the weekend. He's the Associate Dean of Undergraduate Studies in Engineering here at Lehigh University, Greg Tomkay.
And welcome to Lehigh. We're happy to host the event again here for you. I feel a little bit overdressed. I think I'm probably the best dressed person here. I gotta say that I wish I was down here on the floor and if this organization existed when I was your age, I would have been in it. I teach things like automation, I teach things about manufacturing process, and I gotta say robotics is an area that ties everything together. You're getting experiences through this competition that will help you decide. Many people will become engineers. It will help you decide which direction you want to go. The mechanical engineers designing the links and the joints. Electrical engineers designing the control system. Computer engineers with the software that's involved. And also computer science. So it crosses many, many disciplines. Material science and engineering, coming up with those new materials. A lot of neat things happen in robotics. We have several labs here at Lehigh, and we'd love to have you come look at it. And it's time to graduate and see if this is a place that you might want to be. We have projects going on, things like getting in a wheelchair, a person saying, take me home. So it has the GPS system to find where they go, links that to a drive system in the wheelchair. They don't even have to touch anything. Automated devices to get wheelchairs out of here. We work with rehab hospitals and facilities to help people do things that they couldn't do through prosthetic devices. And for your generation, I think that robotics is going to get smaller and smaller. You're going to have to learn how to miniaturize things, and eventually we'll have autonomous surgery going on, all those kinds of neat things. So I think the sky's the limit. This is a great event. Good luck today in your competition, and good luck future in college. Thank you.
And there's someone else who's been involved with First for a couple years now. He knows the teams, he knows you, he's your shepherd. He brings you the district event, he oversees all the nitty-gritty, making all of it happen. Please give it up for the chairman of Mid-Atlantic Robotics, Gene O'Brien. Gene.
Thank you, Brian. Good morning, team. Is somebody out there? Good morning, teams. All right, we're alive and well. I know that many of you are avid sports fans like I am. And this weekend, down in Georgia, some of the best golfers in the world are competing in the Masters tournament at Augusta National Golf Club. And if some of the world's best golfers are in Augusta, some of the world's best robotic teams are here at Lehigh. Last year, I had the privilege of being in St. Louis for the World Championship. And I watched as teams competed, and eventually qualified for the final 16 teams to compete on the Einstein field. We were so proud that 2 of those 16 teams were from Mid-Atlantic Robotics. How many will we have this year on the final on the Einstein? Captain James? Well, my congratulations, and from everybody down here to all of you, the teams, for qualifying to be here. It's terrific. You've gotten off to a good start yesterday. Let's keep it going. Best wishes to everybody. Have fun and be safe.
Now there's a lot of volunteers to make these events happen. And there's one group, sort of our silent army, they wear the blue shirts. And their job is to get to know you. So don't be shy. Tell them your stories, tell them your successes, tell them your failures. Let them know about your year because they want to hear about it. They are our judges. To introduce them, please welcome your judge advisor, Dave Greenland.
A10, Rowan University.
Álvaro Guerrero, Luz Industrial Products.
Danielle Fisher, Student of Technology. Jackie Hazel, Actress Engineering.
Bill Garfield, Air Products.
Robin Kowalski, looking for a job in Texas. Michelle Zuback, Iowa Bar, advocate between Bar and First. Alan Mary, Granite Global.
Gordon McLean, Comcast. Randy Hinton, retired California Technologies.
Chris Balcom, Centrac.
Jamie Wells, pediatrician.
Bob Bristow, Honeywell.
Hi, I'm Mary Malone. I'm principal engineer for Comcast.
Rick Strong from Comcast.
Priscilla Swislike Ashland.
Chuck Bristow from Roche. Dave Bryan, Boy Scouts of America.
All right, thank you, judges. Give it up for them. They've got a hard week in the head, deliberating. Another group of volunteers around this field, they actually went to strike. They make sure that it is fair play on this field. There are no video replays, but they see it all. Give it up for our referees, led by head ref Chris Lester. And safety is always a priority at first events, so we always have our UL safety advisors. They wear the green shirts. Give it up for them. They're led by our lead safety advisor, and Lady Eldridge. And the Safety Animation Award this year, it was won by team 133, the Bird team out of Standish, Maine. Let's check it out. Safety Animation.
Are you tired of being a major or trying to be a school does? Great! You can change that by going to safety school. First lesson, always wear your safety glasses. Working on hazardous areas, even with order break, on the field or in the pits. Second lesson, when working on robots in the pits, use safety gloves. Third lesson, safety school. Know what's happening around you. Being aware to prevent potential accidents. Final lesson, in case of an accident, always keep a first aid kit nearby at all times. Now, go out there and rule the world with your newfound knowledge.
All right, congratulations, 133. As Dean Tomke said, you guys are gold. They want students like you. Universities, colleges, associations. So each year they give first forward. They don't give us the money, but we're the facilitator, we're the conduit for over $20 million in scholarship money every year. And a lot of that money goes unused, so you need to apply for it. Now we're going to run a video for two students who actually are benefiting from some of those scholarships. Let's roll it.
Hi, I'm Jane.
And I'm
2014, our team is Memorial for Scholarships. Behind us is Championship Scholarship Row, and it's packed with representatives from schools all across the world.
College is coming.
He's right, college is coming. And luckily for you, all the experiences that you gained with First mean a lot to colleges and universities. There are hundreds of schools offering millions of dollars in scholarships to First participants as part of the First Scholarship Program. The First experience is so intense. It seems like it's all about being in the moment. Your teammates, sponsors, and alliance partners are all counting on you. But don't forget to put some of that focus on yourself and your future.
As a junior, I was elected Director of Community Outreach for the first Robotics competition team 178, the second law enforcers. It was great exposure to groups outside my robotics team and a whole lot of work. I feel that other roles might come as well, and sharing those experiences has helped me earn my first scholarship, which I'm using to attend the Ivy League school.
I was on FRC Team 75, the Road Raiders, for 4 years. In my senior year, I was the team president, and I spent a lot of time
started, just go to the First Scholarships page at usfirst.org/scholarships. There are lots of resources there, including descriptions and applications for all of the current First Scholarship opportunities. New scholarships are being added all the time, but don't wait until the last minute to apply.
That's right. All First Scholarship deadlines are set by the institutions that offer them. Most of them fall between December and May.
So don't forget, right now, you're in your senior year. Go to usfirst.org/scholarships and apply for any of the scholarships that you're interested in.
Many First events, they have scholarship pros set up, where you can talk face-to-face with many of the providers, just like we're doing here at Championship. This is especially important for all of you freshmen, sophomores, and juniors on teams. Start preparing now.
So don't forget to apply, and visit us at usfirst.org/scholarships. And we'll see you on campus.
All right. Well, we're ready to continue along the street. Oh, yeah, that's great. We do have a scholarship table here out in the main entry. Lehigh University rep is there, VCU rep is there, and Embry-Riddle Aeronautical College is there as well. So go check that out. One thing we want to acknowledge this year is our Dean's List finalists. So if you're a Dean's List finalist, stand up. Because you've got a big interview today. You want to give it up for them? Some of you will then qualify to go to the championship. Try to be a Dean's List champion down there as well. That's in just a couple of weeks. So we can't do anything though until we got to sing the anthem. So please rise for the singing of the United States National Anthem by the Mar Team Chorus.